Uncle Mark, welcome back to the channel. Not a fixing channel, we're scouting for cars, as the title is going to suggest. 1991 Dodge D250 with a Cummins. It's a club cab, fairly rare to be equipped the way this thing is. Nice neat old truck. Was pretty high tech at the time. Loaded pretty much right up with what all the options you could get for a truck back in 91. Enjoy the video. Let's take a look. Yes, some guys will love this. I believe it's an 89. Let's see, Cummins Diesel in really nice shape. I know it's been repainted once way back. I'll have to ask them what kind of clicks it's got on it, but looks like it's got the standard in it. LE extended cab yet. Must be using it for something there. That'd be a nice truck to get a hold of. Still worth a few bucks here in 2020. Well, if you found out what a new one was worth, I guess. This is the one with the good Cummins in it. We've had a camper on it because it's got the camper stuff there. Nice. But no, it's very nice shape. Probably has a few clicks on it. Starting to bubble here just a little bit, but that's it looks like it's got, I think it's unlocked. $369,000 kilometers. Is it got air? It does have air. That's got to be rare. And the quite nice seats. I'll have to talk to them. Uh-oh. Starting to rust there a little bit. Yeah, I'll have to show him that. He'll get that fixed. Little bullet hole in the windshield. It's not really a bullet hole, but totally fixable. What do you think of that, huh? Sure, it's a 19. Nice bumpers on it. This was, looks like it's the LE model, so yeah, very well taken care of anyway, even though it's got that kind of clicks on it. Quite nice seats. I'll have to talk to them. Uh-oh. Starting to rust there a little bit. Yeah, I'll have to show him that. He'll get that fixed. Bullet hole in the windshield. It's not really a bullet hole, but totally fixable. What do you think of that, huh? The shade here now kind of give you an idea how faded it's. Bottom's shiny still, but the top is kind of gone scuffy. Unless there were, looks like it was sanded, but I think it's just from washing it. So, or something. Unless we're gonna buff it. Thought sanding would help. There used to be a red thing across the back here. Come on. Oh, something happened to the taillight. What? That's going to do it for us. That's our video. A buddy of mine owns this old truck. No, it's not for sale. And he'll probably never sell it. One of those guys. Yeah, it's okay. If you like the video, why not give me a thumbs up? You can subscribe down here. I usually do repair videos, but anything that usually has an A behind it is non-repair related. Just a little fact. Till next time, you and your family take care. Uncle Mark saying goodbye. Look forward to seeing you at the next video. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Trying to take care of it. So, peanuts. Well, that's our, actually eating peanuts.